Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us the latest smartwatch from Noise in the ColorFit series, and it's the Noise ColorFit Ultra. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the Noise branding and the picture of the smartwatch, and it's a fitness smartwatch. On this side, we can see it's designed in India. At the back of the box we have some key features, and this smartwatch is available in 3 colors: gunmetal grey, cloud grey and space blue. Now about the features, you get the 1.75-inch touchscreen, blood oxygen monitoring, 9 days battery backup, 320 by 385 pixels resolution, you get quick calls and SMS reply. This smartwatch is IP68 waterproof, aluminium alloy body, 60 sport modes, and it comes with the animated watch faces. And here we can see the app Noisefit, which is compatible with both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this smartwatch is 5,999, but it's available to purchase right now for 4,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get the documentation, and here we have the user guide which has the info about the pairing and other features. Then we get this thank you card, and here we have the warranty information. And here we have the smartwatch itself. Let's take it out of the case. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get this magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the smartwatch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit Ultra is a mid-range fitness smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, I'm impressed with this watch. You get an aluminium alloy body in this watch, but it's still lightweight and weighs only 47 grams. You get TPU straps which seems to be of good quality. You can also replace these straps easily with any aftermarket 22mm straps. Now in terms of the overview, we have a 1.75-inch large TruView display. It's an LCD screen which has a resolution of 320 by 385 pixels. You also get this curved glass in the front which gives it a nice look and feel. On the right side of the watch we have the button to control the smartwatch. At the back we have the heart rate sensor and the SpO2 sensor. And above it, we have the charging pogo pins. The battery capacity of this smartwatch is 300 mAh, which will give you up to 9 days of battery backup. And as mentioned earlier, it's IP68 waterproof. So overall in terms of the design and build quality, I'm really happy with the quality of this smartwatch. Now, let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you will need to download the app Noisefit. And when you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to pair the smartwatch. And that's it. Now follow the instructions on the screen. So here we have the watch paired with our phone. Now let's go through the features of this smartwatch. Now the first thing which I have noticed is this large screen. You get a larger viewing area as compared to the other smartwatches in this price range. The display feels bright and crisp, and the viewing angles are also very good. Now about the features, you can control the smartwatch with the touch gestures and the button on the side. So here we are on the watch face, and you can change the watch face by long pressing on the screen. Swiping down from the top shows you the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom shows you the quick settings. And here we have the battery, find phone, airplane mode, DND, lock watch, and the settings. Swiping right or left gives you the access to the quick apps. And here we have the activity status, heart rate, stress monitoring, breathing exercise, sleep, and music. You can customize these quick cards from the companion app. Now to access the main menu, you need to press the side button once. And here we have the menu. So first we have the activity menu, and in this, you can see your today's step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. Then we have the workouts, and this smartwatch offers 60 workout modes. So you have here categories such as running sports, cycling, indoor and outdoor sports, and so on. You can go to these categories to select the workout of your choice. And when you select the workout, you can choose the goal as time and calories based. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is pretty accurate but takes time to show you the result. After that we have the heart rate monitoring, and this smartwatch comes with 24 hours continuous heart rate monitoring, and the data is also pretty accurate. After that we have the sleep menu, and here you can see your last night's sleep details. And then we have the breathe menu, and here you can do some breathing exercise to calm yourself down. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the weather, which shows you the current weather along with the weather forecast of 7 days. After that we have the music menu, and with this you can control the music on your phone, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. Then we have some usual options such as reminders, stopwatch, alarm, and here you can set the alarm in the watch itself. After that we have the world clock, and here you can add cities from the app to see the time in different cities. And then we have the watch faces menu, which shows you the current stored watch faces in the watch. And then we have the stocks menu, which do not work at the moment, but will be available through an OTA update. Then in the menu we have the stress monitoring, and this shows you your score, letting you know how stressed you are. After that we have the flashlight, which is a very handy feature according to me. And then finally we have the watch settings. And here we have the brightness adjustment, and guys, this watch unfortunately does not support auto brightness. Then in the settings we have the vibration adjustment, raise to wake, which works very well. And then we have the usual reset, restart and power off option. So that's all the features we have on the smartwatch. Now let me give you a quick overview of the companion app Noisefit. So here we have the app, and on the home page we have the step count, sleep, distance and heart rate data. And below it you have the stress and the SpO2 data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Then in the app we have the watch face store, and here you have multiple watch faces. Some of these watch faces looks really good on this smartwatch. And then we have the settings, and here we can see the connected device and the remaining battery on the top. And here we have the watch settings. So first we have the idle alert, and then we have the auto heart rate monitoring. And from here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring. Then we have the rapid eye movement, which gives you REM details in the sleep data. After that we have the drink water reminder. After that we have the camera shutter, and with this you can shake the watch to click a picture. And then we have the find device, which vibrates the watch. After that we have the notifications and alert settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on the smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert, and in this you can decline the call. You also get a quick reply option, but that works only with the Android devices. And here is the message alert, and here in this you don't get the quick reply option in the iOS, but with the Android you get the quick reply option. And then in the settings we have the usual option such as alarms, reminders and the world clock. So overall the Noise ColorFit Ultra is a good quality smartwatch. The design is good, and I really like the display quality. You're getting a bigger 1.75-inch display in an aluminum body. So design wise, I love this smartwatch. But there are some things which I didn't like about this smartwatch, such as lag in the menu and the lack of animation. The menu doesn't feel smooth at all, which I wasn't expecting in this price segment. And also guys, if we talk about the functionality and the features, I personally believe that in approximately 5000 rupees, you have few more options, and some of them are better than the ColorFit Ultra, such as the Amazfit BPU Pro, which has the built-in GPS and the Alexa support, but a smaller display. If the larger display is your requirement, and you don't mind the occasional lag here and there, then you can definitely check out this new smartwatch from Noise. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise ColorFit Ultra smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.